Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to receive messages from verified profiles only on Tinder. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that, go to chat on the bottom of the screen, as you can see. And after that, click on that shield icon on the top right of the screen. And go and click on update message settings. And as you can see, the first option and the only option is photo verified chat. So photo verified members can enable this to only receive messages from other photo verified profiles. You have just to activate it and click OK. And like that, no one can send you message on Tinder if his profile is not photo verified. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.